Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Encompass mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar. Search for Encompass Mortgage Login. Now, click on the first link which appears on your screen. Click Go to Login, which you can see in the middle of your screen or the left side. Then write down your instance ID, press Next, and then write down your password. This way, you can log in to your Encompass mortgage loan simply by clicking the first link and going to Go to Login. After that, writing your instance ID and your password. I hope this video about how you can log into Encompass ID or your Encompass mortgage was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.